Hare Krishna. Hello friends. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra. I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and today I am going to talk about the symptoms of Kali Yuga. What are these all symptoms? Actually, we will we will see in near future what we have been seeing since the last many years. But before I start my lecture, I would like to introduce Srimad Bhagavatam. So, in a 12th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, I am actually going to preach, and this is very important. And these symptoms are actually, we are actually observing these symptoms. And in this chapter 2 of 12th canto, here Sri Sukhdev Goswami stated in verse number first, he clearly stated about the Sukhdev Goswami stated, O King Parikshit, religion, listen my words very carefully, listen this verse very carefully. Religion, truthfulness, cleanliness, tolerance, mercy, duration of life, physical strength, and memory. These all things will be diminished day by day because of the powerful influence of age of Kali. Age of Kali, or because of Kali Yuga, these all things will be diminished. Here Sukdev Goswami clearly instructed to Maharaj Parikshit that the religion, first one is religion, then truthfulness, then cleanliness, then tolerance, then mercy, then duration of life, and also physical strength, and also our sharp memory. These all things will be diminished because of the influence of powerful influence of Kali or Kali Yuga. Here further, Sukdev Goswami stated, in a Kali Yuga, the wealth alone will be considered the sign of man good birth. We are seeing, it's apparently, we are seeing that people would actually consider that particular person is a rich and poor on the because of the particular wealth, the property, the money the particular person who has actually obtained, whether it belong to father property or mother property, or whether he or she has earned by himself or herself. So these all things actually in a short, actually in a Kali Yuga, the property will be the property and the money will be considered as a real wealth. Human value, there is a no value of human character, moral, ethics. These all things are worthless because the wealth alone will be considered as a sign of man's good birth and proper behavior, also fine quality. If you have money, then you have a good character. If you have a means money, then you have a good behavior. If you have money, then you have all such a qualities. So this, the money, the wealth will be considered as a sign of man good birth, proper behavior, and also fine quality. And the law and justice will be applied only on the basis of own power. The law and justice will be applied on the basis of the money. If you have money, then you can buy the law, buy the justice. If you don't have money, then you can't protect yourself. So the wealth will be considered as a main symbol of human behavior, human birth, and also human all the qualities, character, moral values, ethics. These all things will be worthless in age of Kali. Here further stated, man and woman will be live together merely because of the superficial attraction. In the age of Kali, the man and woman will live together merely because of superficial attraction. Success in a business will depend on the deceit, and womanliness and also manliness will be judged according to the one's expertise in a sex. And man will be known as a Brahmana just by his wearing a thread. Man will be known as a Brahmana just wearing a thread. And woman and man, the man's strength and woman's strength will be considered on the basis of the sexual strength. If the particular person is good on a bed, good on a sleeping bed or not, so this would be considered as a strength, physical strength of the particular person. So the capacity of sexual intercourse, these all things will be considered as a main strength of human. So this is actually clearly stated by Sukdev Goswami. Here Sukdev Goswami further stated the person's spiritual position will be ascertained merely according to the external symbol, and on that same basis people will change from the one spiritual order to next spiritual order. From one spiritual order to next spiritual order, the people will change. The person's propriety will be seriously questioned if he doesn't earn a good living. Means if the particular person who is not earning properly, then people will question about on his knowledge. You don't have a study much proper, means not you haven't studied good, so that's why you are not earning well. So the on the basis of the earning, people will judge you. In the age of Kali, this will happen. And one who is clever at a juggling words will be considered as a learned scholar. Juggling words, so if you are not able to juggle your word, if you are not able to means manipulation with your word, then you are not learned scholar. So only learned scholar will be considered if the person who is actually too good in juggling the word. So this is actually stated by Sukdev Goswami. Here Sukdev Goswami further stated, a person will be judged unholy if he doesn't have a money. I will be considered as unholy because I don't have a money. If I don't have a money, then I will be considered as unholy and also characterless. If the particular person who have a money, who has a money, that particular person will surely considered as a good in character, moral values, because he has money. So, and will be accepted as a virtue. Marriage will be arranged simply by verbal agreement, and person will think he is fit to appear in a public if he has merely taken a bath. So these all are symbols of the signs of symptoms of Kali Yoga. A second place will be taken to consist no more than the reservoir of the water located at a distance. The beauty will be thought to depend on one's hairstyle. Means if you have a good hairstyle, then your beauty will be determined. And filling a belly will become a goal of life. Filling a stomach is become a supreme goal of each and every living entity. Means become the goal of life. This is actually stated by Sukdev Goswami. One who is audacious will be accepted as a truthful, and he who can maintain a family will be regarded as an expert man. And principles of religion will be observed only for sake of reputation. The principle of religion will be observed only for sake of reputation. Here Sukdev Goswami further stated, as the earth thus become crowded with a corrupt population, means each and every place we will find a corrupt people actually running behind the money, but they actually don't think about to develop their character, moral values and ethics. Character doesn't means like if you have a means sexual relation and all. I would say character means you have to respect each and every person, you have to respect each and every caste, you don't have to make a discrimination. This would be considered as a good character, best character. So here stated, the corrupt population, crowded with corrupt populations, whoever among any of the social class shows himself to be the strongest will gain political power. Harshened by a famine and also excessive taxes, people will resort to eating leaves, root, flesh, wild honey, fruit, flower, seed stuck by drought. Seed and stuck by drought, they will become a completely ruined. Means people will stuck by drought and they will definitely completely be ruined. So this is actually stated by Sukdev Goswami. Sukdev Goswami further stated, the citizen will suffer greatly from cold, wind, heat, rain and snow. They will be further tormented by the quarrels, hunger, thirst, disease and also severe anxiety. The maximum duration of life for human beings in a Kali Yuga will become a 50 years. Here Sukdev Goswami clearly stated, maximum duration of life for human being will become a 50 years, 50 years. Here Sukdev Goswami further stated, by the time of the age of Kali end, the bodies of all creatures will be greatly reduced in a size. Our body will be reduced in a size. And the religious principle of the follower of the Varnasrama will be ruined. Our religious principle of Varnasrama, the duties of Kshatriya, the duties of Brahmana, the duties of Vaishya and Sudras, this all be ruined. The path of the Vedas will be completely forgotten in human society. The path of Vedas will definitely will be completely forgotten in human society, and so-called religion will be mostly atheistic. The kings will mostly be thieves, and also occupation of the men will be stealing and lying, and also needless violence, and all the social class will be reduced to the lowest level of Sudras. All the social class will be reduced to the lowest level of Sudras, and cows will be like a god, and spiritual hermitage will be no different from the mundane house, and family ties will extend to further than the immediate bonds of marriage, and most planets and herbs will be tiny. The most plants and herbs will be tiny, and all tree will be which will appear like a drought cemeteries, and cloud will be full of lighting, and homes will be devoid of pity, and all human beings will have become like as, and at that time the supreme personality of Godhead appear on the earth, and acting with the power of pure spiritual goodness, and he will rescue the eternal religion. The Kalki avatar will rescue the eternal Sanatan Dharma. Lord Vishnu, the supreme personality of Godhead, the spiritual master of all moving and non-moving living beings, the supreme soul of all, take up birth to protect the principle of religion, and to relieve his saintly devotee from the reaction of the material world. Lord Kalki, the Lord of Universe, will mount his swift horse Devadatt, and also sword in his hand, and travel over the earth exhibiting his 8 mystic opulence and 8 special quality of Godhead, displaying his unequal effulgence, and riding with a great speed. He will kill by the millions those thieves and who have dared dressed as a kings. And after all the impostor kings have been killed, and the resident of the cities and also town will fill the breezes carrying the most sacred fragrance of the sandalwood paste and other decorated of Lord Vasudev, uh, and also their minds will thereby become a transcendently pure. Means each and every person's mind will surely be free as a transcendentally or sacred. So these all symptoms are symptoms of Kali Yuga. I hope you all can understand. If you have any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Jai Sri Radhe.